A person is walking around a clothing store looking for new clothes and shoes.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the fitting rooms are?
Of course. They're right at the back, next to the mirror wall. Do you want to try on something?
Yes, I have a few shirts and a pair of pants I want to check.
No problem. Let me know if you need a different size or style.
The customer walks to the fitting room and tries on a shirt and pants. He was thinking that he wanted to get a sense of how the clothes fit before making a decision. The shirt felt a bit tight around his shoulders, and the sleeves were shorter than he had expected. The pants seemed to fit well, but he thought he might try another size to see if it felt better.
How's it going? Does the shirt feel comfortable?
Actually, not really, it's a bit tight. Do you have a larger size?
Sure, I'll bring one for you. Do you want to try a different color too?
Yes, please maybe blue instead of red.
The customer changes into the larger shirt and another pair of pants.
Much better. The shirt fits nicely now, and the sleeves are long enough. The pants feel comfortable too. I think I'll stick to these sizes.
You look great. Are you thinking of keeping any of these items?
I'm not sure yet. I also picked out a suit and a pair of shoes.
The customer tries on the suit.
The suit jacket fits well, but the trousers are slightly loose. The shoes are too tight on my feet.
Do you want to try another size for the trousers and shoes?
Yes, I think I will. I'd like to try one size down for the trousers and one size up for the shoes.
The customer goes back to the shelves and finds larger shoes and trousers.
These seem better. The suit fits perfectly now, and the shoes are comfortable. I think I'm ready to buy these items.
Excellent. Are you going to buy the shirt and pants too?
Yes, all of these. Could you tell me where the cashier is?
Of course, it's just around the corner to the left.
The customer walks toward the cashier and prepares to pay.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you. Here are my items.
Perfect. Your total is $78.50. Will you pay by card or cash?
I'll pay by card. Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and your bag.
Thanks. Just one question. How many days do I have to exchange an item if needed?
You have 30 days to exchange the piece. Please make sure to keep and present the receipt when making the exchange.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Wishing you a wonderful day.
All in all, the customer found everything they were looking for and felt satisfied with their choices. Here is a recap of the key points and important details covered in the dialogue. Get a feel for explanation. Means to understand how something works or feels. Used when the customer tries the clothes in the fitting room. All in all, explanation means taking everything into consideration, used by the customer reflecting on the shopping experience. Try on. Explanation means to put clothes on to see if they fit or look good, used throughout the dialogue. Stick to, implied in stick to my choices. Explanation means to continue with a decision. Customer decides to stick to the items that fit.